All right, Tita. Your country is
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Okay. Please tell us the cultures about Netherlands.
Hi everyone. My name is Tita and I'm gonna tell you about the culture of the Netherlands. First, their language. They speak Dutch. Hoi is how they greet people.
Mm.
Second, their food. The best of all is stroopwafel. It's made of waffle and caramel syrup.
Mm.
Third, their arts. Their traditional dance is klompen dance. Third, their popular celebration is King's Day. They celebrate it every April tanggal 27. It's a celebration of the King's birthday. That's all from me. Thank you, Miss.
Oh, you're welcome, Tita. So every April 27th, they're going to celebrate the king's birthday. Oh, I see.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you so much for the highlights about the Netherlands. The next, please, who? Gavin, are you going to do the next?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's go. Gavin's country is
Egypt.
Egypt. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Gavin Abiasa and I'm gonna tell you about the culture of Egypt.
Mm.
First, their language. They speak Assalamu alaikum or Ahlan wa Sahlan is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of all is koshari. Koshari is made of rice, macaroni, brown lentils, and rice noodles or sharia. It is served with garlic, a tomato sauce flavored with garlic and vinegar, and is often topped with crispy fried onions and chickpeas. Third, their arts. Their traditional tattoo is sphinx. Sphinx is a giant stone statue from ancient Egyptian civilization that has the body of a lion and the head of a human, usually a pharaoh, symbolizing strong wisdom and spiritual protection. Last, their patron celebration is called Sham el Nassim, Monday. We celebrate it every Monday, 13th April by all Egyptians. It's a celebration of the arrival of spring, the vernal equinox, and the ancient harvest season of Shamu. Uh, that's all from me. Thank you.
You're welcome, Gavin. Yay. Okay.
Hi,
So,
Miss.
hi, Saufa. Okay, so Gavin, you're talking about the Egyptian cultures. And then do you know what about the religions of most of the populations there? Are they all Muslim?
Is Islam
Mm-hmm.
is the most religions in Egypt.
Okay, so about how many persons? Like 1 to 100?
Mm, yes, I think it's 100. And maybe a lot of it's most many than that than it.
Probably
Lebih
about
banyak
like
dari itu.
90% of the people there are Muslim.
Hmm, kenapa?
90% of the people in Egypt are Muslim.
Yes.
Okay. You can say I'm not sure. So you're not really sure about it.
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's so many
Yes.
people.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Gaffins.
You're welcome.
All right. The next person, please raise your hand by react. Is that going to be Saufa, Jifan, Zahra, Lavina, Axel, Namia?
With every
Taufa, are you ready?
Not yet,
Not
Miss.
yet. Zahra? Zahra. Where is Zahra? Oh, Rachel. Rachel is raising hand. Rachel? Okay. What country are you, Rachel?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. Let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Mende. I'm gonna tell you about the culture
Miss, mau nanya.
Yeah, wait a moment, Jivan.
First, the language they speak Filipino Tagalog. Kumusta is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of is the adobo. It's made of chicken or pork, soy sauce, vinegar, and spicy. There are their traditional dance is Tinikling. Last, their popular celebration is Sinulog Festival. They celebrate it every January. It's a celebration of Filipino culture and religion. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Rachel.
Sorry,
Wow.
Miss.
Yes, Jivan. Sorry, who's that?
Zahra.
Oh, Zahra. Okay, just wait ya.
Miss, kemarin udah ngirimin contohnya belum?
Contoh yang udah, Miss sudah kirim di filenya.
Miss,
Yes.
tadi Gavin yang Mesir kan, Miss, tadi?
Gavin is Egyptians.
Tadi ada Muslim-Muslimnya, kirain
Yes.
Arab.
No. Okay, so Rachel, the people in Philippines is called Filipino. Jadi nama-nama orang Filipin itu dipanggil namanya adalah orang Filipino gitu. Am I right?
Yes, that's right.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, okay. And then what about the language they speak?
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. The way they say hello?
Really?
Mm,
Kumusta?
Kumusta?
Komusta.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then what about the celebrations? I'm sorry, I'm going to ask again. They celebrate every January. What was that?
Philippine culture and religion
Sinulog Festival.
festival.
Oh, festival of celebrating the Filipinos.
Sinulog.
Sinulog.
Celebrating about?
Sinulog
Festival.
Sinulog Festival.
Sinulog Festival. Okay, thank you so much, Rachel.
Thank you.
All right. Who's the next? Axel seems ready. Okay, let's go, Axel. Axel's country is
France,
France. Yes, let's go, Axel.
Hi everyone, I'm Axel.
Mhm.
I'm gonna tell you about the culture of France. First, their language. They speak Frenchese. Bonjour is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of all is baguette. It's made of flour, water, salt, and yeast. Third, the traditional dance is farandole.
Mhm.
Last, their popular celebration is Bastille. They celebrate every 14 July. July is a celebration for France. That's all from me. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Axel. Okay, Axel, can you please stay open the microphone? Just stay open. Okay. So, France is a country where Paris is the capital city, right? Yes. And then they speak French as the language in the France. And what about the iconic landmark? Do you know where is the iconic landmark from what is it from France?
Landmark itu apa nih?
Landmark itu kayak the monuments, for example, in Indonesia, Monas is the most iconic one from Jakarta, Indonesia. What about in
Hmm.
French?
Nggak tahu sih, Miss.
Oh, maybe you have ever seen this one. It's kind of like a beautiful tower. What is it called? The beautiful tower? Menara apa?
Tower Ava.
Yes, that is Eiffel Tower. Am I right? Okay.
Yes.
So maybe just only to highlight about the Axel's pronunciation, it's not culture tapi culture, okay?
Yeah.
Culture. And then the way you say baguette is the most popular food, am I right? Yes, baguette. And then it's made of the flour. Jadi tepung sama bunga itu pengucapannya sama. Flour, bukan flour. Okay? Flour. Thank you, Axel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, the next. Who's gonna be the next? Zahra, are you ready, Zahra? Maybe Lovina, Namia?
Sorry, I'm not ready, Miss.
Oh, you're not ready. Okay, Lovina. Let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Lofina. I'm going to tell you about the culture of Australia. First, their language. They speak Australian English. Hello is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of all is roast lamb is made of leg of lamb that is seasoned with aromatic herbs and slow cooked in the oven until tender. Third, their art. Their traditional Anzac Day is one of Australia's most important national occasions.
Mhm.
It marks the anniversary of the first major military day celebrated every April 25. It's a celebration of action fought by Australian and New Zealand forces during World War. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Lovina. By the way, Lovina, do you know what is the capital city of Australia?
Sydney,
Is Sydney or Canberra?
I think, I don't know.
Just wait a moment. I'm also going to Google. Some people are making mistakes on saying about the capital city of Australia. Yes, it's actually Canberra.
Canberra.
Yes, Canberra. But actually, like maybe Sydney is the most popular one, I guess. Yeah,
Yeah, opera house.
yang paling terkenal is Sydney. And then the people in Australia, they speak English, like Aussie English, right? Australian English. Do you know what makes them sound it a little bit different with the English America or American
Their
English?
accent. Their accent.
Their accents, and their accent nearly like
Like, for example, how they greet people, or like someone close, they call it "Hey mate," like, but in their
yes.
accent.
Yes, they usually say, "Hey, mate." It's actually sounded like nearly like British people.
Yeah,
Yes,
almost.
very close, like London. Okay. Thank you, Lavina. All right, the
Hi,
next.
Miss.
Hi, Afia.
Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay. It's just about 20 minutes ago. Okay, who's going to start now? Who's gonna be the next? Namia seems ready. Are you ready, Namia?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, everyone. I'm Namia. I'm gonna tell you about the culture of South Korea. First, their language. They speak Hangul. Hogwang is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of all is kimchi. It's made of vegetable. Third, their arts. Their traditional art is calligraphy.
Hmm.
Last, their popular celebration is Solal. They celebrate it every 17th February. It's it's a celebration of the first day of the Korean lunisolar calendar.
Hmm. Closing?
Oh yeah, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Namia. Okay. So there is another language to say hello in South Korea. What is it, Namia?
Hugwang.
Hongguang.
Yes.
Okay, instead of they're going to be saying like annyeong or annyeonghaseyo, do you know that?
Yes.
Yes, that is actually the most popular one from maybe from the Korean drama or Korean movie something. Yes, the way they greet people sometimes like annyeong or annyeonghaseyo. Okay. Do you know how to say thank you in Korea, Namia?
Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다. Okay. Do you know how to say nice to meet you?
I don't know, Miss.
Okay, you don't know. Maybe someone's here know how to say nice to meet you in South Korea?
Me,
What is it, Lovina?
I think it's 반갑습니다.
That's right. 반갑습니다. Okay, thank you, Namia. By the way, what is the popular food from South Korea?
Kimchi.
Yes, kimchi. Kimchi is actually perfect combinations with the ramyeon. It's really delicious. Ramyeon is just like a noodle, like instant noodle, and you can eat it together with kimchi. Okay? Yes, that's nice. Okay, thank you, Namia. Okay, who's next? Sorry.
Miss.
Who's that? Say hello. I'm sorry.
It's Mikaela, Miss.
Oh, Michaela is here. Okay. Hi, Mika. Okay.
Miss.
Just wait, yeah, Mika. We're going to go to the next person's first. Who's that? Oh, Saufa.
Okay.
Okay, Saufa is raising hand. Let's go, Saufa.
Hi. Hello everyone.
Okay.
I am Sofa. I am gonna tell a culture of Japan. Apa ya? Tradisional apa ya? Mana sih? Japan's culture is a unique, harmonious blend of thousands of years of tradition with cutting-edge modern innovation deeply rooted in values of group harmony, respect, and politeness. Key aspects include Shinto and Buddhist belief, traditional art like tea ceremonies and calligraphy, a distinct etiquette, and a global influence through anime, manga, and cuisine. 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 Mm, Japanese people, say hello in their language is konnichiwa. Kok iya konnichiwa? Konnichiwa. Udah selesai bahasanya. Japanese people language is Japanese. Kalau udah
Closing?
closing kayak mana?
That's all from me. Thank you so much for listening.
That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Saufa. All right, Saufa seems confused of pronunciations. Apa tadi? Cuisine. Am I right? Yes. Kalau makanan tradisional itu namanya cuisine. Cuisine. And then the way you say culture, ini bukan kultur, tapi culture. Culture. Okay. And then the way Japanese people say hello is
Konnichiwa.
konnichiwa. And the way they say thank you?
Thank you. Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. Do you know what is the
Yeah.
most iconic statue in Tokyo or maybe in Japan?
Statue apa nih?
Statue is patung, the most iconic one.
Patung. Nggak tahu, Miss.
Hachiko.
Oh iya,
Oh yeah, Hachiko statue. Okay, thank you, Sofa.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, the next one is Kimi. Hi, Kimi. Kimi.
Hi, Miss.
Okay. Kimi, have you already opened your your video? Because I didn't see you. Where are you? Open your camera. Nah, there you go. Okay, let's go. Kimi, please tell us about the cultures of Malaysia.
Hi everyone, I'm Kimi. I'm gonna tell you about the culture of Malaysia. First, their language. They speak Melayu, tak tahu, is how they greet people. Second, their food, the best of all
So
is
my
lemak.
internet is broken.
Nasi lemak. It's made of rice. Third, their arts, their traditional tari sapin is traditional less. Their popular celebration is Gelar Melayu Serumpun. They celebrate it every 24 May. It a celebration of is an event that aims to preserve Malay art and culture. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Kimi. Okay, so the people in Malaysia is called, what is their nationality? Orang Malaysia dipanggilnya apa? For example, like orang Indonesia dipanggilnya Indonesian people. And then Philippines people is called Filipino. What about Malaysia?
Melayu,
No, that is the language. What about their nationality? Malaysian. Yes. Malaysian is the people from Malaysia. And then do you know where is the capital city of the Malaysia? What is the capital city in Malaysia, Kimi? Ibu kotanya apa? Kimi, stay the microphone on. Open the microphone. I don't hear your voice.
Kuala Lumpur,
That's right, Kuala Lumpur. And then what is the most popular movie maybe from Malaysia, you know?
hmm,
The most popular movie that we can watch through Indonesia from Indonesia? The Twins
I
cartoon?
don't know.
The Twins cartoon one?
Oh, Upin Ipin.
Yes, Upin Ipin. Okay, thank you, Kimi.
Welcome, Miss.
All right. The next is Afia. Hi, Afia.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Afia, what country are you? Oh, England. Oh, UK.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm Afia. I'm gonna tell you about the culture of United Kingdom. First, their language. They speak British. Hello is how they greet people. Second, their food. The best of all is fish and chips. It made of fish and potato.
Mhm.
Third, their arts. Their traditional craft work is embroidery. Last, their popular celebration is Pancake Day. A traditional day for eating pancake before the start of the Lent. They celebrate every Shrove Tuesday. That's all for me from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Afia. Okay, so UK is actually similar with the US because they speak English. But what makes them different is on the accent they're speaking, I guess. So we can call like British English, American English. British is the people from UK, British man, British girl. And then, Afia, do you know who is the king from the UK right now?
Uh,
Who is the king?
Charles.
Charles berapa? Charles II.
Uh, Charles too.
Yes, good. Charles II is the king right now. And then do you know what is the name of his wife? Which means the
Uh,
queen.
Elizabeth.
No, Elizabeth is the mom, the mother of him. The wife,
Uh, Camilla.
Yes, that's right, Camila. And do you know who is the most popular queen from the UK kingdom or British kingdom?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth and
Elizabeth and
Lady Diana.
oh,
Yes, okay. Thank you, Afia. Okay, the next one.
welcome.
Who's gonna go? Siapa lagi? Zahra. And then we still have Jivan. Yang belum siapa aja? Jivan, Zahra. Only Jivan and Zahra, right? Because Haikal is not here. And then Aurel is also not here. Okay, Jivan, are you ready, Jivan? Jivan, Zahra,
Not yet.
not yet.
Yes, itu yang maksudnya the art their traditional itu isnya tuh ngejelasin. Lagi cari di browser, Miss.
Oke, Jivan. Oke, gimana Zahra?
Nah, yang their traditional terus ada isnya itu ngejelasin apanya gitu.
Oh, kayak ngejelasin, for example, like the traditional dance atau the traditional celebration, the traditional costume, for example, traditional food. Boleh.
Oke.
Yuk, let's go, Zara. It's only you and Jivan's left. Tinggal kamu sama Jivan. Go. Go, Zara. Go, Zara. Open your mic. Zara. Open your microphone.
Wait, Miss. One ya tinggal.
Okay, Jivan. Let's go, Jivan. Wait, is Matthew here? Matthew? Matthew? Matthew?
Yes,
Okay, so
Miss.
Matthew is here. We are talking about our last discussions or last week discussions is so telling about the cultures of the country. Karena Matthew nggak datang last week, so I think like it's gonna be perfect if you take over Heikel's part. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is Heikel part. USA
Oh,
ya. Heikel is telling about the USA one.
okay.
So you have to come up with the cultures of the USA. You can tell about the way they say hello, and then the language they speak, and then the people is called what nationality are they, and then you can tell about the traditional food in there.
Miss, I'm
Oh,
done.
yes, just wait. Also about the celebrations they are going to celebrate every year. Get it?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Just wait. You have to make it a summarize first, and then I'm going to go to Zahra first. Zahra, and then the second one Mikaela, and then the third one Jivan, and then the last is Matthew. Okay? Let's go, Zahra.
Hello everyone, I'm Lutfi Zahra. I'm gonna tell you about the culture of Thailand. First, their legends. They speak Thai
Language.
language. Sawadee is how they greet people. Second, their food, the best of all is Tom Yam soup. It made of vegetables and shrimp. Third, the traditional food is Tom Yam Goong. Last, their popular celebration is Songkran. They celebrate it every 13 uh 13 Eh, apa ya?
Bulan apa? 13 of?
Sampai 15, sampai
13 until?
13 until 15 April.
Oh.
It's a celebration of Thailand New Year. That's all from me. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Zara. So, they celebrate Songkran and it's to celebrate about Thailand's New Year. Am I right?
Yes.
Thailand's New Year, is it the same like Independence Day or something? Sama nggak sama hari kemerdekaan? No, I'm sorry. They do not celebrate the Independence Day. Thailand itu tidak pernah dijajah, am I right? Thailand is never colonized.
It's a New Year, Miss.
It's the New Year of Thailand. Songkran.
Independence.
Oh yeah, okay. Independence Day, that's the same. And then the way they say hello is Sawadi.
Sawadi.
Okay.
Sawadika.
Essentially, they have like, yeah, sawadika. For example, like sawadika is gonna be said by the people in Thailand, which is the woman. Jadi kalau woman itu pakainya ka. For example, like sawadika. And then if it is the boy, they will say sawadika. Crap.
What about lady boy?
Oh, lady boy. Are you talking about the lady boy in there? All I
Yeah,
can say they
those
are,
like those lady boy is like they look pretty, low-key
yes.
pretty.
Yes,
But
all I can say they are really similar to the woman. I mean, like maybe 10 to 100, I can say 60%. No, more than 60, 80%. They really look like the real girl. So just be careful.
mm,
Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, Zahra. Okay. The next is Mikaela. Hi, Mika.
Hi,
All right.
mm,
What country are you? Singapore.
I'm Singapore.
Okay, let's
Hello
go.
everyone. Hello everyone. I'm Michaela. I would like to tell you about Singapore. Singapore language are English, Malay, Mandarin, and Tamil. Singapore currency is Singapore dollar. Singapore culture is Singapore culture wait, is a vibrant modern is Miss West Chief. What is this mom? Chief.
Huh? Hello?
Tapestry blending Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Russian traditional into a harmonious multicultural cultural society. How to Singapore people say hello is hello. Art of Singapore is Singapore is a dynamic fusion of is Eastern, Western, traditional, and modern influence of flowing from color, colonial era landscape to a vibrant comparison and um, Independence Day of Singapore in 9 August uh, 19
19?
1965. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mikaela. So how many language do they have? How many language do they
Uh,
have?
for me.
Four, yeah. English,
Yeah.
and then Melayu, Chinese, one more?
Tama. What is that? Tamil.
Tamil.
Yes.
Oh, they also speak Tamil because maybe there are a lot of Indian in there. So Tamil itu, as long as I know, adalah bahasa dari India. It's Tamil. Okay, so it's kind of like like multicultural country, which is Singapore, right? Because the people in there is not only the real Singaporean, but also immigrant from India. They also have like more Chinese people in there. And then there is also the most popular language I think they're gonna have daily is Singlish. They mostly speak Singlish. Singlish is Singaporean English. It's actually like the same English, but they don't know about how to use the perfect grammar. So they will be saying about, yeah, we can say like a broken English, the same like Thai people when they are talking English. Thank you, Mika.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. The next is Jivan. Jivan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Jivan, let's go.
Hmm. Dari tradisi kan, Miss?
Yep, you can opening dulu. Hi everyone, my name is Jivan.
Hi everyone, my name is Jevan, and I'm
Hey, by the way, Jivan, please open your
oh,
camera, please. I want to see your face. Yes, there you go.
bentar. Mana tadi kata-kata?
Let's go.
Benar. Ini art. Salah-salah. Bentar, Miss.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can start now.
Ada yang salah.
What's going on?
Oke. The tradition and customs of Arab cultures have many apa ini? different apa, dif- many difference compared to Western culture. If
Hmm.
you are traveling to an Arab, knowing certain Arab customs and tradition will make you visit more enjoyable.
Hmm.
Even even in you're not planning a trip, it is also fun getting educated about other cultures. Whether you're studying about visiting or planning a business trip to an Arabic country or simply want to learn more about the culture, below are some important and interesting Arabic customs and tradition.
Hmm.
Sabar, masih banyak kan ini?
The traditional food.
Oh, sekarang udah miss.
Okay, the traditional food from Saudi Arabia. Do you know what is it?
Nasi kebuli.
Kabuli rice. And then do you know what language? Sorry. What the way they say hello or the way they greet people?
Apa ya?
Maybe it's quite
Hello,
similar
hello.
with the Egyptian. Hampir sama kayak Egyptian, I guess.
Hmm, apa lagi?
You can greet people with
Hmm,
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
and Ahlan.
and apa? And ahlan apa wasalam.
Yes, Ahlan wasalan. Okay. Okay, thank you, Jivan.
Yorkames.
Yes, so Saudi Arabia is actually kind of like the spiritual place maybe for the Muslim when they are going to go for umroh atau haji ya. And the way they say hello or greet people is by saying salam, assalamualaikum or ahlan wasalan. And then the fun fact from the Saudi Arabia is actually not all the people there are Muslim. Gak semuanya di sana itu Muslim. They also have another religion. Like, maybe some of them are Catholics or maybe like Christians. Okay, the last one is Matthew. Is gonna tell about USA.
Bentar, Miss, belum dapet.
How come? How long should we wait for you?
Eh, 10 menitan.
What? 10 minutes? No way.
Enggak,
That's gonna be too
enggak lah.
long.
Kayak 5 menit lagi tuh.
5
Tapi baru
minutes?
dapat kayak tradisinya, cara mereka nyapa, baru
Okay.
hari
Alright.
hari apa tuh, hari perayaan mereka baru dapat.
That is okay. It's actually already enough, I guess. You can tell it now.
Baru sama budaya mereka nih baru dapat.
It's okay. Just keep going.
Oh. Jadi pertama mau kenalin diri dulu.
Yeah, you can opening first. Like, for example, introducing your name.
Oke. Hola. Hola.
Go.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Matthew Jafir Murebenangin, and
Matthew,
I
please
will
open your
tell
camera.
about
Wait a moment. Open your camera.
Mengerjakan apa lagi kan sudah.
And Jivan, please unmute. Sorry, mute your microphone, Jivan. Jivan.
Nyala Miss itu, Miss.
Yeah.
My name is Matthew.
Wait, Matthew,
and
wait a moment. Matthew, wait. Okay, Jivan is gonna mute. Okay, then let's go, Matthew. You can go on.
My name is Matthew, and I will tell about USA culture. American culture is a diverse, predominantly Western and individualist society heavily influenced by its immigrant history, focusing on equality, personal freedom, and meritocracy. Ntar nih mau cari yang lain.
Okay.
And in the USA, the most common way to say hi is hey or hi, often paired with how's it going or how are you. These are versatile for both casual and professional settings. Other fragrance greetings include morning or morning, name, good morning or afternoon, and in the South, hey y'all. Abis ini apa ya, Miss?
And then the traditional food or traditional celebration or something?
Mulai dari perayaan dulu ya.
Boleh.
Bentar. US traditions are a diverse mix of cultural, historical, and social customs, heavily featuring major holidays like Thanksgiving, family feasts, the 4th of July, fireworks and barbecues, and Halloween costume. Key cultural norms include individualism, strong work ethic, tipping, and love for sport like baseball and American football. This tradition reflects a melting pot or influences, representing freedom, community, and national pride. Tradition.
Next.
Traditional USA food is a diverse mix of indigenous ingredients, immigrant culinary traditions, and regional comfort food. heavily featuring themes like hamburgers, barbecue, fried chicken, apple pie, and Thanksgiving turkey.
Okay.
That's it. That's all.
That's all. Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, that's really interesting. They have like many alternatives to say hello, or maybe like to say how are you? They can say actually like how is it going? As the native speakers gonna be saying like that. And then the people in the South American, they will say apa, Matthew?
How y'all?
Hey you all. It's kind of
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
Y, koma atas, and
Yeah,
LL. Am I right?
yeah.
Yes, like hi you all. Okay, and then do you
Hey
know
y'all.
what countries are in the South? Like South American.
Uh, like Argentina,
Argentina, and then
Venezuela, Chile,
mm-hmm. Argentina,
Brazil,
Paraguay,
Brazil.
Venezuela is also included, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes. Like Latinas, we can say Latinas American. Am I right?
yeah.
Yes, America Latin. Okay, thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay. That's really insightful. All right. Have anyone already finished? Udah semua kan ya? It's only Aurel that's not coming tonight. All right. Can we go to another discussions? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's just like about 30 more minutes, I guess. Yeah. No. It's kind of like 15 more minutes. 15 to 20 more minutes to discuss about it. So actually, I'm going to come up with this. We're just going to have a quick. Okay, I'm going to start with the two truths and one lie. Okay, we're gonna have a game first as the warming ups actually. All right, I'm going to ask one by one, and can you please guess which one is the two truths of Miss Dita and which one is one lie from Miss Dita? Get it? Okay, I'm going to go with Afia. Afia, open your mic.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Afia, I want you to please guess which one is Miss Dita two truths and one lie from this phrase. You can say like this. The first is the truth, the second is the lie, the third is the truth example. Two truths and one lie. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Matthew.
Dilingkarin gak apa-apa?
Yep.
Oke. I have a cat truth.
Oh, wait,
Uh,
this one. I've already circled this thing. I can drive a car, I can ride a bike, I can ride a horse.
oh, uh, um, number one, maybe. Number one truth.
Okay.
Number two truth. Number three lie.
Okay. Thank you so much, Afia. How do you know that Miss Tita cannot ride a horse? How did you know?
Uh, because because Visita don't have a horse,
Don't have a
so
horse, okay. And then for the daily transportation, Miss Tita is gonna use apa?
uh um bike,
Yes, bike,
motor
motorbike ya.
motorcycle,
Mhm.
motorbike. Yes,
Yes, thank you, Afia.
you're welcome. Yes.
All right, the next person is Namia. Hi, Namia.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Namia, I want you to please guess about two truths and one lie from me. This one.
Okay, Miss.
Mm-hmm.
One is lie,
Okay.
two is truth, and three is truth.
Okay. Why do you think that I have ever been to South Korea? Kenapa kamu pikir Miss Tita udah pernah ke sana?
Because you say you had a culture shock in Korean.
Oh, you still remember about my story of the Korean thing,
Yes.
the culture shock of me of the Korean thing. Okay, but actually this is incorrect. Tak bener ya. So, I have been to Thailand, but I have never been to South Korea. Miss belum ke South Korea. Oke, Namia. The culture shock that I'm telling you about the South Korea itu waktu Miss Tita ketemu sama orang Korea tapi di Jogja. When I was in Jogja. Gitu. Thank you, Namia. That's
Welcome.
okay. It's a nice guess. Okay. The next one is Lovina. Hi, Lovina.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, Lovina, I want you to please guess which one is two truths of me and one lie of me.
First one is truth, and then number two is truth, and the last one is lie.
Hmm. Okay, why do you think that I like pink?
Cause almost all are like pink, maybe, or I don't know. I just guess.
Okay, almost all the girls like pink, but it's not for me. It's a lie. I don't like pink. Have you ever seen Miss Dita wearing anything pink? Pernah lihat nggak? Miss pakai kerudung pink maybe? Never. Namanya say never. So Miss Dita's favorite color is actually like a solid color or bold color, we can say. Yang earth tone. For example, like black, white, brown, apa lagi ya? Maybe kind of navy, not a powder blue, but navy. I don't like pink. But thank you, Lavina. I will start to love the pink one. All right, the next one. Jivan, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, Jivan, please guess this one.
Oh. Uh, Number one is lie, and two is truth, and the last one is truth.
Okay. Thank you, Jivan. All right.
Welcome.
How did you say that I do not like cats or I don't have cats?
But uh,
I really like cats. Why do you think that I don't have a cat? Miss suka banget sama kucing, tapi kenapa Jivan pikirnya Miss nggak punya kucing?
but I don't apa?
You don't know. You have never seen.
I never apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya dengar apa tuh?
Oh, I never heard.
Kayak nggak pernah dengar aja gitu.
I've never heard the sounds of the cats.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You have never heard about the sounds of my cats. Okay, I will tell you. I actually have a cat. Not a cat. I have six cats right now. Namya. I have six cats right now in my house. And the lie is this one because I don't have any sisters. Miss nggak punya kakak perempuan, adik perempuan. I don't have any sisters. I only have the brothers. I have two brothers. Gitu. gitu. Oke, Jivan?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
dia
Miss.
punya kucing. Jivan juga punya kucing. How many cats do you have, Jivan?
4.
Oh, I have 6. I have more cats than you. Okay. Thank you, Jivan.
You're welcome, Miss.
All right, the last one is Saufa. Saufa is raising her hand. Let's go.
Number 1, fly. Number 2, truth. Number 3, truth.
Okay. Why do you think that Miss Dita can speak Javanese? Java ya, Java.
From Japan. Japan.
Nebak aja, Miss.
Don't you believe in me when I say I can speak Japanese? Nggak mungkin ya. Konnichiwa, Saufa. Arigato gozaimasu. Watashi wa Dita desu. No, I actually don't speak Japanese. That's right. Okay. Yes, it's all correct. And why do you think that I can speak English, Saufa?
Because Miss speaking English right
Because
now.
Miss is speaking English right now. That's really makes sense. And that's just because Miss Tita is a teacher of English. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I'm an English teacher. Thank you, Saufa. That's really nice of you that you can guess about me. Okay, so the next discussion is actually about AI. Kita mau ngomongin AI. Do you know what is AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Robot.
Robot. Okay, we're going to tell about the smart robot, robot yang pintar. And then do you know what is the long name of the AI? Nama panjangnya AI itu apa sebenarnya?
Artificial intelligence.
Good. Artificial intelligence. Iya, artificial intelligence artinya kepintaran yang artificial tuh mostly like a palsu. Okay, artificial intelligence. Okay, it's an AI. And then the learning points here, the first one, you have to describe about what is AI and how it is working. And then number two, give the examples of the AI in our daily life or day-to-day life. And then number three, explain the benefits and the concern about AI. Jadi ada advantage-nya, ada keuntungannya pakai AI, ada juga disadvantage atau kerugian. Kerugian pakai AI. Nanti we are going to talk about this more. And then ini udah ya. Can you please help me to read the definitions, Gavin?
Yes, Miss.
Let's go.
Um, the definition of artificial intelligence or AI is technology which enables computers to carry out tasks that normally require human intelligence and thinking. Computers can be trained to learn from information.
That's right. So actually, we can, like command the robots or the computers by
Mm,
making it like the human things. Okay, it's actually kind of like a smart system that we have to put some of the codes kayak coding. Have you ever learned about coding? Siapa yang pernah belajar coding?
Me.
Yes, coding. Yes, ya, banyak ya. So coding is actually to insert some codes to command some of the smart robot. Jadi bagaimana untuk mengcommand, command itu apa ya? What is command? Menyuruh, oke? Menyuruh robotnya to do something. So you have to insert some of the codes. Pakai kode, gitu yang namanya AI. Oke, next one. AI in your phone. Can you please mention what can AI do in your phone? Jifan, number one, and then Zahra, number two, Namia, number three. Can you please think of AI is gonna be found in your phone dari apa? Bisa nemuin AI di mana dari mana? Zahra, number three tadi siapa? Namia ya? Oke. Who's going to go first? Zahra dulu, Namia dulu, Jifan dulu.
Zara.
Okay, Zara, let's go. Where can you
Zara
find
jadi go.
AI? Wait, Jivan, Zara already say Zara first. Okay, where can you find AI in your phone?
Di mana?
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp. Oh, Meta.
Yes.
Oh, yes, Meta AI. What can Meta AI do actually?
Um, send the photo
Mm.
and can uh, answer my question.
Answer your questions. Is it just like a random questions atau serious questions?
Random.
Random. What do you like to ask Meta AI?
Um, wait. I forgot.
Yang kamu suka tanyain apa? What do you like to ask Meta AI?
Oh, how many one? How
How
many
many one?
one? Uh, uh, ditambah one.
Oh, so you're going to ask Meta AI to solve your maths problem untuk ngerjain
Karena
matematika.
it gabut aja, Miss.
Okay, it's just like a random things to do with Meta AI. Have you ever shared about your feeling to Meta AI? Pernah nggak sharing about your feeling? Curhat?
Enggak sih.
Never ya. Okay, thank you Zahra.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
next Jivan.
Yes.
What can AI do in your phone? Or what
Um,
or where can you find AI in your phone?
Meta AI itu.
Apa?
Meta AI juga.
Meta? You can say something else? Yang lain boleh. Maybe from the games?
Meta AI doang. Meta AI doang sih, Miss. Meta
Meta
AI.
AI doang. Okay. Namia, maybe do you have another ideas?
ChatGPT.
Oh, ChatGPT. Okay. Jivan, you can say Cici.
Oh iya, Cici.
Okay, so Jivan will say Cici AI. I've never heard about Cici AI actually. I only know Gemini and then ChatGPT. Okay, Namia, please talk about ChatGPT. How smart ChatGPT is. Seberapa pinter dia?
1999.
1999%?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's nearly perfect. Okay. And then what can ChatGPT do actually to solve your problem?
Help my homework.
What kind of homework that you're going to ask ChatGPT to do? Suruh
Um,
ngapain?
Anything.
Anything? Okay, what is the hardest subject actually you can ask the ChatGPT?
Map.
Math. They can solve the math problem?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And you will get like a perfect score?
Mm, Maybe, but my teacher said you find from AI, right?
Okay, does the chat GPT also show you the way how the math is solving? I mean, caranya dikasih tahu nggak?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, what about with the English homework? Have you ever tried to use ChatGPT?
Um, Never.
Oh, never. Only from math.
Yeah.
Okay, because you think that math is the hardest one. Thank you, Namia.
You're welcome, Miss.
What about Jifan? Jifan, can you please talk about the Chichi AI?
Uh, CGI is smart.
Okay, how smart is it? Like Namia say ChatGPT 99%. What about what about Chichi?
Hmm, 89.
89%. Okay. What do you like to ask Chichi to do? Kamu sukanya nyuruh Cici ngapain? What do you like to ask Cici to do?
Make a story.
Make a story about English?
No.
About
Indonesia.
story apa?
In robot.
Robot. Okay. So, do you
Robot
also
war.
uh-huh. Do you also like to ask random things to Cici AI nggak? Random.
Ngerendam gimana, Miss?
Random means like, for example, Cici AI, do you know what clothes am I wearing today? Atau Cici AI, can you please help me to find, or maybe can you please suggest me what should I eat tonight? Aku harus makan apa ya malam ini? For example, it's just like a random questions to AI. Pernah nggak?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, what is the silliest questions you can throw to AI? Yang paling konyol, the
What
silliest.
is your gender?
What is your gender? And then what Cici AI will respond.
I am robot.
Okay. So Cici AI will say, I have no genders, Jivan, because I'm not the girl, I'm not the boy, I'm only a robot. Gitu.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, Jivan.
Welcome, Miss.
That's really nice. Okay, the next I will ask the AI in your house. Oh, what can you find AI in your house? And what can AI do in your house? First is Lovina. The second one is siapa lagi yang belum? Afia. And then Axel. Wait ya guys, yang lain belum kedapatan, tapi waktunya sudah habis. Oke, let's go. What can AI do in your house, Lovina?
Is smart TV included, Miss?
Okay, yes, of course, the smart TV is included. Okay, how smart is your TV?
So when I want to search something, my remote can like I said something and then langsung muncul.
Oh, I
in
see.
the-
It's by the voice command. Am I right?
Yeah.
By the voice command. It's also have some codes to do it. That's nice. And then also from your TV, you can also watch something like a Netflix movie or maybe YouTube videos, and they will give you recommendations based on what you like. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, that is also showing how smart our TV are. Wow, that's nice. Thank you, Lovina.
Yes.
Afia, what about you? What can you find in your house? AI in your house?
AI in my house is only Meta AI and phone.
That's in your phone.
Yes.
Anything else? For example, from the electronic, maybe you can find it in the kitchen yang pakai
No.
AI? No?
No.
Nothing. Okay. It's only on your phone.
Television. Smart TV.
Televisions, yes, that's actually the same like Lovina. Do you also have something like a robot for, I mean like the helper? Apa sih namanya? For example, like vacuum cleaner?
No.
No. Do you have hair dryer?
No.
No. Do you have air fryer?
No.
No. Okay. So yeah, it's
No.
actually the tool.
Oven. I have
Oven.
oven.
Nah, oven is actually something with the AI too.
Oh.
You can say oven. It also can help your mom to cook something or to make cookies, to make the bread, something like that. Okay. Thank you, Afia.
You're welcome, Miss.
Next, Excel. AI in
Air
your
fryer, Miss.
air fryer. How smart is this?
Um, 80.
80%. Because how can it fry something without the oil? Am I right? Dia bisa ngegoreng tanpa pakai minyak. That is air fryer. And that's really smart. Okay, Axel? Yes. And then have you ever seen the what is it, like a robot yang bisa ngepel, bisa nyapu.
Oh, vacuum cleaner gitu kan, Miss?
Yes, but it's kind of like circle things. Pernah lihat nggak yang robot pembersih debu, penyedot debu? Apa itu
Iya
namanya?
sih, pernah
Yang
pernah
jalan
lihat
sendiri,
ini.
Miss, yang bulat.
Yes.
Vacuum cleaner.
No, it's kind of different. Beda, beda,
Robot
beda.
vacuum.
Hah?
Robot vacuum
Yes.
mop.
Mop.
Robot
Yeah,
cleaner.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That is Robomop ya.
Iya,
Yang
saya punya, Miss.
Oh, Saufa have it in the house. Okay, how smart it is, Saufa?
Terlalu pintar.
Terlalu pintar. What do you mean terlalu pintar? Kayak gimana coba? Contohnya.
Pernah saya taruh apa? I put apa? Doll boneka apa? Cat doll on the
On the
robot.
floor? On the robot?
Ya,
Okay, so it can also, I mean like, it's carrying the cat doll.
iya.
Dia gendong maksudnya.
Ya,
Oke,
Miss. Pas lagi jalan kayak naik mobil gitu, Miss.
naik mobil.
Kayak jadi mainan.
Oh, I see. And then how smart it is when they see something like, what is it called? Like the edge. Atau the edge itu adalah pinggiran-pinggirannya dari rumah, for example. Will they crash it? Apakah mereka akan menabrak? They will crash.
Enggak, Miss?
No?
No.
Oh my God, that's so smart. And then you can
Bisa
set up the timer.
Yes.
Okay. And how to turn on?
On itu kan pakai HP gitu.
You can use by the phone?
Ya.
Wow. So when you were
Siapa
not at
sih?
your house, when you are away, ketika kamu jauh dari rumah, when you are away, so you can actually control the robot to sweep the floor untuk sapu?
Yes. Yes.
Oh my God, that's so smart. Okay. Can you spill how much is it?
Apanya? Gitu.
How much? It's around sekitar berapa? How much is it?
2 million.5.
2.5 million, 2,5 juta guys for the smart robot. Wow. Thank you, Salva.
Welcome.
All right. So yes, you can find AI around you actually. The simplest thing from your phone or maybe from your house to help your your work. Okay. And then please somebody help me to read the history of the AI. Tita. Tita is here. Tita. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Let's go, please read the history.
AI was first looked at in the
1950s.
1915s. By the 1916s, scientists were teaching computers how to mimic human decision-making using algorithms. Algorithms are like rules which a computer can use to help solve a problem.
Oh, oke. Jadi mereka ditemukan pertama kali itu in the 1950s, tapi it's going to be developed, dikembangin by the scientists around 1960s. It's actually the year where my mom and my dad have already been born. Mereka udah lahir nih, 1960s. Okay, so AI is not a new thing actually. Okay, the examples are we can find AI in the social media and then self-driving cars, which is in China, I guess. Udah mulai. In China, you can order the Grab without the drivers. Tidak ada driversnya in the car. So it's kind of like an auto car. Yes. And then
Autopilot, Miss.
auto apa?
Autopilot.
Autopilot, yes. It's kind of like Tesla car. Do you know Tesla brand?
Yes.
Yes, it also can get it like auto cars. And then it also can help you like a home assistant device. And you can also find the AI by the video gaming, maybe from your PlayStation something, or maybe PSP or something else. And then online advertising is also using AI. And for entertainment, entertainment means like a movie or maybe the songs. Do you know that there is a web that is using AI that can create our voice yang bisa bikin suara kita sendiri. Am I right? For example, like they're gonna make a song and it's gonna be sung by the people, like the real human. It's using AI voice. Siapa yang pernah coba bikin lagu pakai AI? Never? Never. Okay. And then the benefits from AI is less human error. Make quick decisions, can handle lots of informations and lots of applications, including the healthcare, finance, and agricultures. Jadi banyak juga nih keuntungannya pakai AI karena bisa mengurangi human error atau kesalahan manusia. Karena robot sudah ada sistemnya, because the robot itself has the codes atau the smart system. Gitu. And then the concerns atau yang harus kita khawatirkan dari AI adalah AI could invade privacy, ya, replace lots of the jobs and make us overly reliant on the computers. And some people are worried that if we develop the computers too much, they could become smarter than the humans. Ini yang dikhawatirkan. What if all the things here are going to be done by robot? Semuanya pakai robot. For example, dari gerbang tol aja, from the toll gate. Mereka sudah pakai tap card, which is AI. Not gonna use any human system anymore. Ya kan? Sistem parking juga, parking lot is gonna be tap the card. Is using AI atau robot. And they're not going to give any salaries to the AI. Mereka udah tidak perlu kasih gaji sama AI. They only need the smart robot and they can they can earn more money from it. Mereka malah bisa mendapatkan banyak uang dari itu. So it's kind of dangerous, the concerns. And the futures, AI in the futures could lead to lots of the new technological advances. As it becomes more complex, it could help lots of different sectors as long as it is managed and monitored appropriately. Jadi di masa depan ya tetap aja siapa yang bisa manage atau monitor the real human. Okay, so robot can never change the real human. And then the questions time. Could you replace the teacher with the AI? Mau nggak diganti teachersnya pakai AI? And write a paragraph on the benefits of replacing teacher with the
No.
AI. Writing a paragraph ini sebenarnya harus bikin paragraph, tapi because we don't have any time anymore, we have limited time. I'm just going to ask two persons ya, dua orang aja, to please share your thoughts about this. Who wants to share your thoughts? Raise your hand. Angkat tangan dua orang aja. Tercepat ya. Go. Who wants to replace the teachers with the AI? Oke, Saufa sama siapa satu lagi? Saufa, don't lower your hand. Raise it up. Saufa and Matthew, maybe Matthew? It's just about sharing the thoughts ya. Do you agree if the teachers should be replaced by AI? Apakah kamu setuju kalau teachers itu harus digantikan dengan AI atau tidak? Matthew, are you there? Or maybe Gavin, maybe? Or Lovina, or Tita, Zahra, Axel, siapa yang mau? Yuk, I need one more person. Saufa and go, raise your hand confidently. Ayo dong guys, satu aja. Go, raise your hand. Okay, while we are waiting for the others, and then I'm going to come with Saufa dulu. Saufa dulu yuk. Saufa, please share your thoughts. Would you like to replace your teachers with the AI?
No.
Never? What can the teachers do and what cannot the teachers AI do?
Teacher teacher when apa ya?
saat nulis when writing in whiteboard itu kayak
Mhm.
whiteboard itu kalau capek kalau feel tired itu berhenti dulu. Jadi kita
Mhm.
dikasih waktu buat nulis. Nanti lanjut lagi.
Okay. But what do you think about the AI teacher? Kalau AI teacher?
AI teacher. AI teacher kalau lagi when writing in whiteboard it not feel tired, so nulisnya harus cepat gitu, Miss.
Yes, it will not feel tired because they don't have any energies like the humans things. Mereka akan bekerja seperti robot and they will just keep going, ya, and will not concern about how tiring you are. That's right. And then one more please. Satu lagi siapa yang mau? Who wants to share your thoughts about the teacher's AI? Afia maybe? No? Gavin? Gavin, Matthew, Rachel, Kimi? Oh, Gavin. Okay, let's go, Gavin. You open your cam. That means you're ready.
Eh,
Let's go,
berarti itu
share.
ngapain tuh?
Kamu mau nggak replace your teacher with AI?
Hmm, I think no.
Never.
Yes,
Why?
because AI brain with human brain is gimana ya?
You can say like teachers AI would never replace the real teacher or the human teachers.
Yes,
Because
karena mungkin eh AI. AI itu berarti robot kan?
mm-mm, gurunya jadi robot
Bener
mau nggak?
gimana sih? Robot
Guru
yang bisa gerak.
gurunya jadi robot. For example, like in your classroom, there is no any human teachers, adanya robot in your classroom.
Kenapa bis putus-putus?
Misalnya di sekolah, gurunya diganti AI. So in your classroom, there are gonna be only the students with the robot.
Hmm, tapi but I think student will not
Will never agree.
um yes,
Oke.
because I would not. Aduh.
Oke, he seems confused. Jadi gini guys, so no matter how smart the AI is, ya, seberapa pintar mereka, they cannot replace the human things or the human beings. Mereka nggak bisa gantiin manusia because AI
Ya,
or robots, they don't have any feelings. Mereka tidak punya perasaan. Oke?
harus
When it comes to the an educations, kalau ketika dari pendidikan, example, like the connections between the teachers and the students are matters, okay? Jadi itu penting untuk pendekatan, punya koneksi. Meanwhile, AI teacher will never do the same because they don't have any feelings. Mereka tidak punya feelings. Gitu. Get it? Okay, so you have never think of replacing your teacher with AI ya. Jangan sampai berpikiran menukar gurumu dengan robot. Okay, thank you so much for coming to the Zoom tonight and see you again the next day or the day after tomorrow, which is Wednesday with Miss Evie. Okay, guys. So this is gonna be the last sessions of Miss Dita in the batch 8. Ini adalah hari terakhir di batch 8. And we're going to see you again on another batch. Nanti ada
Nanti
batch
ada yang
baru.
mau apa sendiri.
Okay. Yes, Rachel? Rachel, do you wanna ask something? Mau tanya?
No.
Oh no. Okay, okay, okay. I'm sorry. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a good night. Bye bye. See you
Bye
on
bye.
Wednesday.
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye. See
Bye
you on
bye. Bye.
Wednesday.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Thank you,
Bye, Miss.
guys. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss.
Bye, Rachel. Bye, Kimmy. Bye, Matthew. See you on Wednesday with Miss Evie.